Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm Nushi Joshi and I'm going to show you how do you enable your click sound in Android phone. So let's begin with it. Open settings. Later you will find the option of sound or sound and vibration. Click on the option. Just scroll down and you will see this option sounders touch sounds. If it's off then you will not get the sound, but if it's on then you will get the sound in some time. So you have to just go back and then just test it. So thank you guys, and subscribe to my channel and also comment and like.